Hey everyone! One of the best things about N8n is how easy it is to share and move automations. Whether you've downloaded a workflow from a community forum or you're moving a backup from one server to another, you'll likely be dealing with a JSON file. Today, I'm showing you the two fastest ways to import JSON into N8n in 2026. Let's get started. Method 1. The Import from File option. This is the standard way to bring in an entire workflow. First, open your N8n dashboard and create a new workflow or open an existing one. Look at the top right corner of the canvas and click on the three-dot menu icon next to the Execute Workflow button. Select Import from File. Find the .json file on your computer and click Open. N8n will instantly populate the canvas with all the nodes and connections from that file. Method 2. The Copy-Paste shortcut. In 2026, this is actually the method most pros use because it's so fast. Open your JSON file in a simple text editor like Notepad or TextEdit. Select all the text, Ctrl-A or Command-A, and copy it. Go back to your N8n canvas and simply click anywhere on the empty grid. Press Ctrl-V or Command-V. N8n will recognize the JSON structure and automatically draw the nodes directly onto your screen. Step 3. Handle the credentials. Once the nodes are imported, you'll notice many of them have an orange exclamation mark. This is because N8n does not include your private passwords or API keys in the JSON file for security reasons. Click on each node that requires a connection and select your own credentials from the drop-down menu. If you haven't set them up yet, you'll need to create new ones before the workflow can run. Lastly, before you set your workflow to active, always do a test run. Click the Execute Workflow button at the bottom of the screen. Ensure data is flowing correctly through the new nodes. If everything looks good, hit the Save icon at the top to lock it into your account. Importing JSON is the easiest way to learn from other automation experts. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.